Now, these are the SMS services I mentioned about Incube. Right now they are doing in 12 districts with 26,000 farmers. Now in the next probably 2 to 3 months, we have committed them to give 5 lakh cell phone numbers, and they will give the beauty of this is best part of the game is they will give you price at which the local mandi buyer will buy the rate and the phone number, name and phone number of the local mandi which is nearly 20 kilometers away. That gives him tremendous bargaining point. Many times we try to take a feedback, he says that, sir, after seeing that price, I negotiate with my fellow who comes to my village. I got more than say 10 rupees, 15 rupees more what I get at 10 kilometers. Many times local buyer will not give you, he goes to the 10 kilometer mandi and sells it. This is one of the huge empowering tools I thought I will mention. This is a district wise number they are operating. Then PGS full lot of discussion took place. I think we have to press the right buttons because we are in government. We try to press right buttons and try to initiate a process. PGS, I feel personally that PGS cannot be kind of ignored. This is my feeling. Second is that it nicely fits the SAG federation structure we have. It sends. You have a farmer field school, group does it, the PGS sits beautifully on that. We will not allow that to go just like that. Let us see what we can do on that. Now this year we want to do in 2,240 villages. We have 2,240 clusters, each cluster 5 villages. It is a scaling up process and again meeting the aspirations of the women. So 20,000 farmers would like to do. Last year we did about more than 350 farmers whose certificates will be delivered in the coming 15-20 days. Now this is local groups which I will not delve too deep. There is one initiative which I thought I'll share with you. This is basically not to access. It's accessing low-hanging fruits fine, but here a lot of malls are into play. Why we are interested in this initiative is that they are dealing with perishable commodity like vegetables. B, we are not capturing the premium on organic or pesticide-free produce, not yet. We are trying to understand the markets. It's more for our own, knowledge and understand the game, rules of the game before it gets expanded. Third beauty is that here the best part of the game is that they save 100 rupees per farmer per month, participating farmer. They have come together collectives and for the last 2 days, one thing that comes very clear, we have tremendous clarity on this is that small and marginal farmers to have the bargaining power, get the scale of a big player, they have to come together, collective. That's more than clear. They have formed a collective, they saved. Before that I didn't mention, due to lack of time, that people who are participating in the program, they claim more than that. We claim that they get a benefit of 2,000 to, if chilies it is 18,000 or 20,000 per acre benefit towards the saving cost of cultivation based on the crop, etc. If you really save this kind of money, 1,000 is for red gram kind of thing, 18,000 is for chilies, for sure, more than that. If you are saving this kind of money to make the program sustainable, do you depend on mercy of the government every time? Why should you depend? So what we said is that, rather what the women decided that, thanks for that. Then what they decided that we were toying with the different ideas. What was finally approved by them, that they will pay 50 rupees per family per year. Today we have a corpus of 3 crores. We means the village organization has the corpus with them. We don't take away the money. Now we are planning to give a matching grant to those SHGs who thought of saving and managing the money. See, in the government, the most difficult part is that you account for small money. Small money takes more energy, more time, more money to account for it. We want a self-accounting system. You account for it, scan a copy of the account, put it on mail, then you will release. Rather than VO will release. And we have a support previously under RKVY, before that World Bank. Now we have support under MKS. It will be unfair if I don't mention Government of India's role in supporting a program like this, probably later or NRLM. Now, the 50 rupees saving, in addition to that, what we said is that livelihood collectives, livelihood collectives ought to be found over SHG platform, second layer. So the livelihood groups, they have come together, paid 100 rupees per month, account is open, they have given a name to the collective. Now they have hired a 2-ton tempo, it carries 1.7 tons. They go to the nearest, that's Vantimamadi is the one where all super bazaars, Heritage, Reliance, etc. they buy from there, and the last bid is also bought, is also sold in the local mandi. Now this we would like a team of our women to go to that, understand, then try to scale it up. Lot of things are happening around this, but we would like to first having in-house, what's happening in-house, learn from that, then go to all our partners today with whom we had a good fortune of getting across. We'll try to get in touch with you and try to learn from you all the good things and passion you have. I think I will not, so I don't want to miss the time. Yeah, we will try to collect the data. Net premium achieved 24 lakhs for 4 months in city farmers. Then if I missed anything, please bear with me. It's all there available. Then the farmer was giving the breakup, excellent breakup. It comes to 25 to 30 rupees over the nearest wholesale market. Nearest wholesale market. They are very excited. Let us see how it. Then the basic issue for this is that we work on prudent utilities. I tried to share this because I was expecting this kind of time pressure. So we basically operate on accessing, not physical access. It's economic access also. They have a wherewithal, the advance will be given, loan will be given, they repay in 6 months. Yesterday, farmer from Maharashtra was beautifully saying, this goes to somewhere and comes down. What happens in Food Corporation of India's food security or PDS system? Same thing happens. Surplus will be declared at a village site. I am not going to details. I'll spare it for the question answers. Then Khammam, we have a food security at a village level done by the communities. We have a case study on that. Then another example in Visakhapatnam. This is the poorest of the poor strategy where landless agricultural labor lease, Vivo facilitates leasing in of half-acre land. They do sunlight harvesting, and again spacing, aeration, all those principles. There are 7-tier crops, 3 paddy boxing. So incomes are mentioned there. Then how poorest of poor access their household security, food security, we worked out. There is a case study for that. Then this is the 7-tier models, and Dabolkar is the front philosopher guide for this. Then community video films. The most important point is that community picturizes what our friend picturizes there. They have a camera, beautiful camera. They were trained in 22 days. They edit on a computer. Actually, I was to show a film clipping, beautiful film clipping. There is no time. It will be used, all the infrastructure will be used for marketing, monitoring and capacity building. A film will be made on, then IT initiative. There is a mobile, Blue Frog, there is one organization which has a patent on compressing data. On a mobile that costs you 3,500 rupees, you can store the farmer's data of 50,000 with 168 column template data. We are using it for marketing. We are also creating a virtual marketing and bidding site. Which one?
Companies.
Mrs. Blue Frog. Then how we monitor? How many, today, every day you have to do farmer field school. How many CAs have done today farmer field school will be seen by the community. So you can see the numbers. Now this is the one higher end phone where DPMU team, district management team carries, and you can see the red arrows. What is the part of Andhra Pradesh they have covered from first of every month. For every month it changes. So its program has been evaluated by the Angrao. They gave an excellent report. Now how much 100% reduction in pesticide cost and 50% reduction in fertilizer usage. Policy impacts, agriculture department taken it and you have been taken as a training organization for their Atma functionaries. Okay? And RD ministry has given a convergence zero. Now the scale of the program, 11,000 villages, 18 lakh farmers, 38.7 lakh acres. I don't want you to be put off by the scale. That's what we are paid for. So what is the road ahead? It's clearly laid out. Thanks for consideration, Chairman. I know you extended 1 or 2 minutes. Thank you.